Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the JJS recorder so your first take is usable. Plug in power and confirm storage. Low battery causes dropouts, so make sure it's above 50%. Then pick the file format and sample rate, WAV for quality, MP3 for space, because that determines editing flexibility. Choose the mic input and enable AGC cautiously. It helps level quiet parts but can pump loud sounds. Once done, press record and monitor levels to avoid clipping. Adjust gain until the peaks sit comfortably below maximum. Now you refine capture by switching to manual controls to control noise and dynamics. Reduce gain so peaks have about 6 decibels of headroom. This prevents digital clipping during loud moments. If you expect rumble or wind, enable the high-pass filter and wind reduction, and use the built-in limiter to tame sudden spikes. Monitor with closed-back headphones and watch meters in real time. Once you hear and see a clean test clip, you're ready to proceed to full takes or multi-track sessions. Finish each session by stopping and waiting for the recorder to finalize files. Powering off mid-write can corrupt audio. Then transfer recordings via USB or remove the card and use a reader. Copy to 2 separate storage locations for safety. If you encounter a corrupted file, try the recorder's recovery or import the partial WAV into audio software that can reconstruct headers. If problems persist, re-record with lower gain and test cable or card to rule out hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.